How to download code from Replit. I'm going to tell you how to download code from Replit step by step. First, log into your Replit account and open the project you want to download. Once you're inside the editor, look at the top left corner of your screen, click on the three-dot menu next to your project name. From the drop box, select Download as Zip. Replit will automatically bundle your entire project, including all files and folders, into a single zip file. Next, check your computer's Downloads folder. You'll see the zip file there. Unzip it. Now you have all your code files available locally. If you're working with languages like Python, Node.js, or others, remember to open your terminal and install the required dependencies from the requirements.txt or package.json. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded your code from Replit in just a few simple steps. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more useful content.